Hello and welcome back to Scrummy. Today's recipe video is on how to make an Irish apple crumble cake. This delicious cake is perfect for a cosy evening or as a dessert for after dinner. In this video I'll give you step-by-step instructions on how to make this mouth-watering cake. Let's get started. Let's start by making the crumble. In a bowl, combine together flour, salt, room temperature butter, sugar and porridge oats. Using your fingers, rub the butter into the dry ingredients until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Just like this. Place in the fridge to chill while we make the apple cake. Place room temperature butter into a medium-sized bowl and pour in the sugar. I'm using unsalted butter for this cake. Mix the butter and sugar together until soft and fluffy, just like this. Add in the vanilla extract and we're going to mix in the eggs one at a time. This Irish apple crumble cake is simple, gorgeous and one my Irish mum has been making since she was young, so it's as authentic as it gets. When all the eggs are mixed in, sieve together the dry ingredients, plain flour, baking powder, salt and cinnamon. I have lots of lovely recipes on my channel just like this one, so please subscribe so you don't miss out. Use a spatula to gently mix in the dry ingredients before using your hand mixer to mix one last time. Add in the chopped apples and I've cut these into bite-sized cubes and pour in the milk. For this recipe I'm using Granny Smith apples, I love them in apple cakes. Mix together one last time and that looks great. This is ready for the cake tin. I'm using an 8-inch springform tin and I've lined the bottom and sides with greaseproof paper. Pour the crumble mixture on top and spread it out with your hands so that the cake is fully covered with it. We can get this into the oven. This cake needs about 1 hour to bake. Remove from the oven, allow to cool in the tin for about 15 minutes before serving. This Irish apple crumble cake can be eaten either hot or cold. It's lovely both ways. I do love it warm with lots of ice cream on top so that it melts right into it. You'll find the recipe in the description box under the video. Top with a dollop of whipped cream or vanilla ice cream or even both. I'm going to add some of my homemade caramel sauce. You'll find this on my channel if you want to make it. It's delicious on anything apple, sure why not. There you have it folks, an easy and gorgeous recipe for an Irish apple crumble cake. We hope you enjoyed the video and try out the recipe. Thanks for watching. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!